welcome to my first video for Juju's Loves. This is a video to show you the takedown of my curls, or coils. I've been calling them coils, but they're really kind of lock knots, just more tightly wound. I've had them in for 2 weeks. I did them 2 weeks ago. I'm taking them down today. I haven't used a satin bonnet and I can't remember how long. It's bad. I'm sorry. I should have, but I haven't been. And this is my hair. 2 weeks old. I put a little bit of oil in my scalp, on my scalp this morning. I kind of rubbed it. This has been my summer style. I've been locked 8 years. This was one thing I wanted to do to get curls. It ended up turning into a nice style that I wore for 2 weeks. I felt pretty good about it. Got a lot of compliments to the point where I said, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to give back to the community that share with me. I want to shout out to XayLi Barclay. She was my inspiration for doing these. I was looking for a method to curl my hair without curlers so I could sleep at night without pins, and she had it in her video about lock knots and how to do those, and her curls are amazing. So she inspired me. Thank you, XayLi. And shout out to all the other lock tutorial peoples that have helped me along the way. So this is my takedown. This one has already started to come out, as you can kind of see. So I'm just gonna begin. I don't know if we can speed this up, but here we go. This is the one that came out on its own. And this is it. I'm gonna style this some more later and kind of fix it up for pictures, so you can see what I finally kind of ended up doing with it. But I like these curls. In the past, when I had done them, I would have curly ends and then a long straight part. With this method, my straight root was shorter and I got more curls because I tightened it up. So instead of like straight down to here, it's only straight in the top part. So I think next time I try it, I'm gonna try to do an even tighter coil or lock knot and see what the results are. But I like this a lot so far. I'm gonna go tighter next time and see what's possible. But this is my result. These are my curls. This is the takedown. After 2 weeks in, my hair was not soaking wet when I did them, but I left them in for longer, so they were completely dry. And this is my result. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, support. This is the beginning. I'm excited. This has been fun. See you again. Bye. Juju's Loves. Juju's Loves.